So this morning we're leaving our house to go to work. And before we leave, this one says, oh, I can't leave like this.
Because I'm not coming home to a dirty house.
So, and we did. We were in a hurry this morning and we had some dishes in the sink and on the counter.
And no matter how many freaking times I try, I can't stop shaking my finger. I can't make a pile of dirty dishes look as nice as a pile of clean dishes. Do you ever notice how that happens? I can't make clean dishes look nice.
So, as we're going out the house, he goes, 2 minutes, and starts unloading the dishwasher and putting the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. So, now we get to go home.
Where are we going with this?
Exactly. Hold on. Be patient with me, everyone. So now when we go home this afternoon or this evening, we get to go home to a clean house with dirty dishes put away in the dishwasher and clear countertops and stuff like that.
Bed's made.
And our bed is made. Get up every morning, make the bed. And the point of the story is, this is February. You know, how do you fall in love with your house or stay in love with your house? It takes a little bit of work, just like all love takes a little bit of work.
Don't make me start shaking my finger.
I think I'm going to be in trouble.
You're going to be house shopping is what you're going to be doing. We're going to need that 4,700 square feet after all, aren't we?
So, when we get home today, we're going to come home to a nice clean house with dishes put away and clear countertops. And we're going to be like, we can relax and enjoy our house and love our house. So it takes a little bit of work, but it's worth it. So how do you love your house? You take the effort, you care for it, you put the time into it, and come and enjoy it then.
So it makes coming home pleasant. Makes leaving pleasant and coming home pleasant.
So how do you, we want to hear from you.
Keep the love affair going with your home.
Yeah, what effort do you put into your house and what do you give to your house to keep that love affair with your house? We want to hear from you. So comment below,
Maybe don't.
share,
Don't ask them to comment
subscribe
on this
to our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear from you.
Maybe.